Good morning, student. Welcome to our math session. Today we see the addition of money. Okay, so when we add the money, we add first arrange the number in columns, rupees and paise. Okay, so we first add paise and then add rupee. So today we solve the sum example. See here, first example here 0 plus 5. How much? We get 5. And 5 plus 2, we get here 7. Okay, means we get here 75 paise. Then rupees column. 3 plus 0, we get 3. And 2 plus 1, we get 3. Means when we add 23 rupees 50 paise plus 10 rupees 25 paise, we get the answer 33 rupees 75 paise. Now second is we add 57 rupees 40 paise plus 18 rupees 85 paise. Okay. So here again we start from this column. This is we add first paise. 0 plus 5 we get here 5. 4 plus 8 we get 8 plus 4. 9, 10, 11, 12 means we get here 12. And this one is carry over. This goes into rupees column. Okay. Now this carry over to rupees column. Now we add this all number. 7 plus 1, 8. Or 8 plus 8, 16. So 6 right here. Again 1 carry over. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, we get here 7. Means how much your answer? 76 rupees 25 paise. Okay. Then see third 81 rupees 45 paise and 34 rupees 25 paise. We add this both the amount. 5 plus 5 10. We get 0 here, 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 5, 6 7. Now rupees column. 1 plus 4 we get here 5. And 8 plus 3, how much? 9, 10, 11. Means we get here 11. Means how much amount? 115 rupees 70 paise. Okay. In this way you have to solve the question number 1 in your textbook from exercise 11.3. Now we see the subtraction of money. Now we see subtraction of money. So here we subtract. Again same here. First we arrange all the number in columns, rupees and paise. Okay, then subtract. So here 64 rupees 55 paise minus 36 rupees 40 paise. Means we subtract 36 rupees 40 paise from 64 rupees 55 paise. Now how to solve is? See here. Again start from this column paise. 5 minus 0 we get here 5. 5 minus 4 we get 1. Means we get here 15 paise. Now 4 minus 6 not possible. So we borrow from 6. So here we get 5 and here we get 14. 14 minus 6, you have to count up to 14. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Means here we get 8. And 5 minus 3, we get here 2. Means our answer is 28 rupees 15 paise. Okay. Now see second example here. We subtract 32 rupees 60 paise from 47 rupees 15 paise. Okay. So 5 minus 0, again he get answer 5. But here 1 minus 6 not possible. Okay. So we borrow from 7. Okay. So here you have to remember this. We first see 1 minus 6 not possible. So we borrow from 1. 47 में से हमको कितने लेने? 1 रुपीज़ लेना है. तो यहाँ पे कितने आएंगे? 46 रुपीज़. यहाँ पे दिस वी टेक 1 रुपीज़ मीन्स इन 100 कॉलम पैसे कॉलम में क्या होगा? इसके 100 पैसे हो गए. 1 रुपीज़ मीन्स 100 पैसे. सो व्हेन वी borrow from rupees column in paise we get 100 paise and and add this 15 paise. How much? 115. You remember this, okay? हमने क्या किया, यहाँ से 1 रुपीज़ बोरो किया है, ओके, फॉर्म 47 रुपीज़. तो यहाँ पे हमें मिले 46 रुपीज़. एंड व्हेन वी कन्वर्ट 1 रुपीज़ इनटू पैसे, तो we get 100, okay? 1 rupees means 100 paise. So here we get 100 and this 15 we add here, means we get total amount 115 paise, okay? Now we solve this. 5 minus 0, we get 5. Now we cut this. And 11 minus 6, how much? 11 minus 6, we get here 5, okay? Means we get here 15 paise. Now 6 minus 2, we get 4. And 4 minus 3, we get 1. Means how much amount here? 14 rupees 50 paise. Okay? Again same. Simply you remember this. Solve as usual. आप जैसे हमेशा सॉल्व करते हैं ऐसे ही आपको सॉल्व करना है. सिर्फ आपको रिमेंबर करना है कि यहाँ से हमने 1 रुपीज़ लिया है, तो इन 100 पैसे वी कन्वर्टेड इनटू 100 पैसे. नाउ सी हियर अगेन. 0 minus 0 is possible, but 1 minus 7 not possible. So we borrow from 85 rupees. तो 85 रुपीज़ में से 1 लिया था, यहाँ पे कितने आएंगे? 84 रुपीज़, ओके. एंड यहाँ पे कितने दिए? 1 हमने ये कॉलम में दिया. ये कॉलम में कौन से? पैसे. 1 रुपीज़ मीन्स 100 पैसे प्लस दिस 10. तो टोटल अमाउंट कितना हुआ? 110, ओके. नाउ वी सबट्रैक्ट दिस. 0 minus 0, 0. 11 minus 7, we get here 4. 4 minus 8, again not possible. So we borrow from 8. 4. Here we get 14. Okay. 14 minus 8, we get 6. And 7 minus 3, we get 4. So your answer is 46 rupees 40 paise. Okay. Now we see one more example here. Now see one more example here. We subtract 32 rupees 32 paise from 84 rupees 14 paise. Now see here, 4 minus 2 is possible, but 1 minus 3 not possible. So we borrow from rupees. So here we get how much rupees? 83 rupees, because here are 84 rupees. So here we get 83 rupees and 100. We take this 1 rupees in this column, paise. So here we get 100 paise. So we add this 14 paise in this. We get, so here we get 100 plus 14, 114. Okay. Now we subtract this number. 4 minus 2, 2. And 11 minus 3, how much 11 minus 3? We get here 8. Means we get here 82 paise. And 3 minus 2, we get 1. 3 minus 2 we get 1, and 8 minus 3, here we get 5. Means our answer is 51 paise 82 rupees. Now see here. 6 minus 4, here we subtract 23 rupees 24 paise from 92 rupees 46 paise. Okay. Now how to subtract it? 6 minus 4 is possible, but 4 minus 2, again this is possible. This is simple. We change the number. So here we take 1. Okay. Again see here. 1 minus 2 not possible. Okay. So we take 1 rupees. We borrow from 1 rupees from 92 rupees. So here we get 91 rupees. And here we get 100 paise. 1 rupees means 100 paise. आपने यहाँ से 1 rupees लिया तो पैसे में कितने होंगे? 100 पैसे. And plus this 16. So how much rupees? 100 plus 16? 116. Okay. Now we subtract this. 6 minus 4 we get 2. 11 minus 2 we get 9. Okay. And 1 minus 2 again not possible. So we again borrow from here 9. And here we get 11. 11 minus 3 we get 8. And 8 minus 2 we get 6. Means here we get the answer 68 rupees 92 paise. Okay. In this way you have to complete the question number 2 in your textbook only. Thank you.